See the results here. I don't know why people are keep saying that I want to use lot of lemon to shine. Like, I don't understand. I'm telling you guys that I'm pregnant for lot of lemon, and you guys have.
Hello everyone, my people. Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, this one loud like seriously. Una remember this girl wey go art film with lemon? She art film with lemon. So lemon come dey kiss am. They can't even dey kiss am for everything after the film. Una remember? The girl don cry come out now say lemon don give am belle. Hey, my people, this one loud. The one wey dey even dey shock me inside be say this girl film when e follow lemon art never come out, but belle don come out inside. My people, this one loud. Now wow for all those girls. Oh, eh? You not gonna see man now who you want follow. You not fit get boyfriend. She don still cry the way Joy the side chick wey come dey talk any and for social media now. The way they want to take cry come out too. The same way now this one take cry come out now say don still get belle. Eh? Una no dey give una self-respect. Like, una no you get respect for una self. You now don still cry out now say you don carry belle now. My people, wetin come dey happen? Wetin dey happen to all those girls? These girls of nowadays, na wa for una. My people, the video dey o. I go put the video make una see am. More na me advise this Ugbeke looking funky girl. Eh? Belle never film never come out, belle don come out inside. If they look for who go no lemon house, may go show am. Lemon want us never see the video wey they do for Francis. Now wow. I bet because of this one, I make you the same make Joy and Mary come out for your house. Because another girl won't come again. Lemon, this your John Thomas, they was so cut am. Where be say rubber go dey, condom you no go fit use them. Raincoat dey, you no go fit use them. You they use ordinary bottle sleep with different girls, my people. Eh? I'll put the video make una see, and I'm gonna make sure this video needs to go viral. Bye everybody. Bye.
See the results here. I don't know why people are keep saying that I want to use lot of lemon to shine. Like, I don't understand. I'm telling you guys that I'm pregnant for lot of lemon, and you guys have been asking me as we show you guys the proof. This. I'm telling lot of lemon to come out and say the truth. So today I decided to do the test. See, I'm going to run the pregnancy test right now. I'm going to run the test now so that you guys will see it yourself. Let it not look as if I'm lying. Just run this test. This is my baby. I'm going to use it now to run this test. The result is out now. I believe you can see. I'm telling you guys that I'm pregnant for load of lemon. I just want load of lemon to come out and take responsibility of this pregnancy. You can see the test. See the results here.